Introducing WheelPal App, the revolutionary software enhancement for Apple CarPlay. Elevate your CarPlay experience with this powerful app. WheelPal App empowers you to unlock a world of possibilities for your CarPlay system, providing you with a customized and personalized in-car experience. With WheelPal App, you can expand the capabilities of your CarPlay system. Discover a variety of compatible apps that seamlessly integrate into your CarPlay interface. Explore productivity apps, entertainment apps, and utility apps, all designed to enhance your driving experience. Stay organized, entertained, and connected while on the road. Navigating WheelPal app is simple and user-friendly. Browse, download, and install your preferred apps directly onto your CarPlay system, transforming it into a hub of functionality. Enjoy the convenience of accessing messaging apps, social media platforms, streaming services, and more, all from your CarPlay screen. WheelPal app integrates seamlessly with your digital lifestyle. You can download WheelPal app from Kodmy.com, where you can also get assistance for connecting home devices and Apple HomeKit, making it your one-stop portal for both home and car automation. Upgrade your driving experience today with WheelPal app and unleash the full potential of your CarPlay system. Download now from Kodmy.com and start enjoying the seamless integration of your favorite apps right from your car's dashboard.
Thank you for watching Kodmy. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also, visit our socials and stay tuned for more exciting tech content.